Welcome to my YouTube channel. We're excited to have you here. Stay tuned for great content.
Top 4 Best Dashcam Car Review in 2025.
Number 4.
Features and specifications. Installation type: portable dashcam suitable for all vehicles. Camera sensor: front 8 MP plus rear 2 MP camera lens, front 6 glass plus 170-degree angle plus f1.8 aperture camera lens, rear 4 glass plus 140-degree angle plus f2.0 aperture. Video resolution: front 3840*2160p at 30 fps.
Number 3.
Product sell points. Stay vigilant with 24-hour parking surveillance, ensuring your vehicle's safety even when parked. The built-in G-sensor automatically detects collisions, while loop recording ensures continuous footage. Capture every detail with 1080p HD clarity and a 120 degrees wide-angle lens for comprehensive coverage.
Number 2.
Specifications: 3 channels, front plus interior plus rear. Screen size: 2 inches. File format: AVI. Voltage 1 current: 5V/1A. Video resolution: 1080p, 720p, VGA. Continuous loop video, seamless loop recording.
Number 1.
Product specifications: 3 channels, front plus interior plus rear. Screen size: 2 inches. File format: AVI. Voltage 1 current: 5V/1A. Video resolution: 1080p, 720p, VGA. Continuous loop video, seamless loop recording.
Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, Takrim Media, for more exciting content. Please. Thank you for watching.